Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Expert Engineers. Today we will start a basic computer workshop that is Microsoft Excel for beginners. Microsoft Excel is actually a spreadsheet program. We use it to create reports that need calculations and charts. In this workshop, we will learn how to move around and work inside the spreadsheet. Now let's start. In the very first lecture, we will mainly focus on the terms used in Microsoft Excel. The first one is Workbook. An Excel file is actually called a workbook and its default name is Book 1 as mentioned here. Then we have a ribbon here. This complete portion is called ribbon. This is its upper boundary and this is its lower boundary. The ribbon is further broken into different tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Automate, and Help. All these tabs are further broken into different groups. And we will discuss one by one later in the videos. Then we have a name box here. The name box shows address of current cell. Here the address is A1. It means that this is the address of cell that belongs to column A and row 1. If we click onto this, then the address is changed. That is B2. It means that the cell belongs to column B and row 2. So the name box shows the address of current cell. This is called formula bar. Formula bar shows the content of current cell. Since our current cell is B2, nothing is written in B2, then formula bar is empty. Let's suppose we write something in B2. Let's suppose we have written apple in B2. Then this apple will be shown here in formula bar. So whatever we write in current cell, that will be shown in formula bar. And the address or name of current cell will be shown in name box. These two are very important to learn Excel. As MS Excel is a tabular format consisting of rows and columns. Rows runs horizontally while column runs vertically. Each row is identified by row number which run vertically at the left side of the sheet, while each column is identified by column header or letter which runs horizontally at the top of the sheet. Each rectangular block in this sheet represents a cell. Here we have large number of cells to perform our work. Then we have navigation buttons and worksheet tabs. The navigation buttons allows us to move to another worksheet in an Excel workbook. And from this add button we can add more worksheet tabs in our workbook. And this is called status bar. Excel behaves differently depending upon the current mode. Here we will have 4 different modes like ready, enter, edit and point. And we will discuss all these modes in our next video. Now let's go on to this video's quiz. The question is, write the name of these 6 elements of Excel workbook in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this. That's all for this video. If you want to show your support, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment and share this video with others. Thanks once again.